So hi guys, and after 1 year working as a data analyst in corporate, I'm here to share my experience and the mistakes and learnings that I did. So first one I'll say is to create boundaries. And again, I'm reading from my idea book because I just wrote the script for it. So first is to create boundaries, right? So not everyone user is your friend, and it's a professional life. So learn to create boundaries. Don't tell everyone everything because they are not your friend. They're not going to be happy. Friendship at this stage is really rare, and it's like 90% of the time it's not. So trust your instincts. And then don't reveal your plans. Don't tell everyone that what you're planning, what you're going to do, what you're working on. And if you want to tell, like if it is in your job, like task list, you have to tell it to your head, the main head that actually oversees you and focuses on your work schedule and all the hours that you put in. Not everyone. Again, not everyone. And look out for toxic seniors that are there or the managers that are there who are just trying to bring you back down or just trying to make your job less secure. Meaning, just look out for seniors or managers that are there who are always trying to find ways to find mistakes in things that you do. And always look out for those people also will just try to say, oh, he's doing really good, or is just trying to put shadows on you. So look out for that. And now coming to data aspects, if your data looks too good to be true, it probably is. So always have a cross check with backend or people that are managing it, so that you are sure from your end as well as from backend end that okay, from my end it's all clear, it's actually something true. But I'm telling you from my experience in 1 year, I know it's less, but yeah, that it's not true. There will be something fishy. So make sure that you do that. And another one is people make decision on data. So learn, understand what their requirements are and what their business goal is, and learn some business terms. It will be helpful in the long run. And make it as easy as possible for them. Like the non-technical people, they will not focus on what fancy terms, correlation, and then probability, all those fancy terms that you use. They won't care about that. They just care about revenue, stuff like that. Like total, how many users base we have, split between that. That only they'll care about. Not that many technical terms that you want to put in. Trust me, I went to that. I wanted to put a lot of technical terms, but doesn't mean anything. Then prioritize your time. The reports that you'll have to make are never ending. So prioritize your time, and based on priority of the task and the people who are giving it to, focus on that. And then engage in your work and do accordingly. So make it based on priority, not based on number of reports. Trust me, it helps in long run, and you'll be out of a lot of trouble, like 90%. I'm telling 90% a lot because I have been through it. And then have a personal life. Okay, this is a big one. Have a personal life. Don't be so focused on your work that you don't even go out. Only your whole work becomes your life. You do. And one quote that I read for it, like I saw it somewhere and it just stick with me: don't take CEO's tension in pay of an employee. Trust me, it helps. So it was a bit short video. I just wanted to share my experience, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Threads, and all those places. I keep posting this content. And yeah, contact me on Topmates. And if you can want to have a one-on-one, you can book a Calendly or Topmate. And I'll see you guys there. So bye.